Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change watch faces on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the home screen, and from here, just swipe up or down and select any watch face from here, just like that. Now just tap on the screen to select the watch face. And also, if you have connected your Mi Band 10 to your smartphone through the Mi Fitness app, you can download more watch faces through the Mi Fitness app. Now, once you connect your Mi Band 10 to your smartphone through the Mi Fitness app, just open the Mi Fitness app on your smartphone, then go to Device and tap on Manage Band Displays. Now, in the Online section, just select any watch face to download it from here. For an example, I will select this one. Now just tap on apply. Now as you can see, this is how you can change watch faces on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.